Our goal is to make this look like an old shipwreck. I bought 36-inch long wood stakes, laid them out on top of a plywood, and offset them to get that staggered look. You then cut off the extended tail ends to the trim of the plywood. You clamp down the wood stakes to the plywood panel and flip it over. You then fasten the staggered loose pieces onto the side panels. I found some vintage looking rivets online to give that rustic feel. I clamped down all 4 panels to the steel frame that I previously made according to the size of the ice chest that we would be using. With a sawzall, you carefully cut all the panels flush to the metal frame. I used steel angles as legs, pre-drilled them, and then fastened them with lag bolts in all 4 corners of the ice chest. I dug up some super dope corroded wrenches and added some rebar to extend them out for gripping. And then I weld mounted them to the ice chest lids.